What is up, folks? My name is Skunk Commentary, and today, sorry if I sound a little bit more depressed than usual. I'm not depressed, I'm just kidding about that. But today's actually quite a sad day because I'm gonna talk about one of my favorite video games. It'll be the gameplay on this video, and Jesus Christ. Overwatch 2 is gonna be such a flop. And today I'm gonna talk about the news surrounding Overwatch 2 and what we've gotten. So, recently a couple days ago, Overwatch posted that Overwatch 2 will be free to play October 4th. So that means that the $30 I spent on buying Overwatch was all for nothing. Okay, thank you for that, Blizzard. Continue to steal my money, fucking morons. All new heroes. I'll just skip that. We're gonna have Soja and Jungle Queen. I've played both on the open beta, and both were actually pretty decently fun. I don't know how much they'll affect the game, but I hope that they'll at least be fun characters to play. And then we have Kiriko. Slaughtered the name there. Butchered the pronunciation as usual, but you know, a new support. Finally, I can stop playing. I can finally play something other than Ana for a day. Jesus Christ. It took them 4 years, what has it been? 3 years to create a support. Are you fucking kidding me, Blizzard? Moving on. Now here comes the big things. Reimagined Multiplayer experience. 5v5 PvP. New mode push. 6 new maps. Crossplay and cross progression. Competitive mode 2.0. Let's break this down part by part. 5v5 PvP. The thing is with Overwatch, if you wanted to play 5v5, you just log off and play Paladins. Easy as that. Or make a game mode in the game browser. That is how easy it is. Or was all that. But now they're gonna add 5v5. So many 6 stacks will lose a friend. Poor tank players. Poor tank dudes that have played together in so many years. But okay, I'm at least a little bit optimistic about the new game mode push. From what I've seen, it looks fairly fun. But again, I could be wrong about that game mode, and I will have to play it a little bit more before I can actually make a whole idea about it. 6 new maps. I'm not angry with that. Let's just hope they won't add another map that is like Paris or Horizon. I hope it'll be fun. Crossplay and cross progression, that is something good. And competitive mode 2.0. I don't know what to say really. I don't know too much about it. I don't know how much they've released. I haven't followed it too closely, but I'm a little bit scared. Because comp is already a toxic hell. Anyway, let's move on. Limited time from October 25th to November 8th. Junkenstein's Revenge. The Wrath of the Bride! I'm honestly really optimistic about that. Finally, a new Junkenstein game mode. I've been waiting this for the last 5 years. Or the last 3 years at least. And you can still access Overwatch 1 content like all 32 original heroes and classic maps. And now here comes the thing that makes me scared. Introducing the Battle Pass. Play the game, earn free rewards. So, what do we get? All new hero Kiriko, plus 2 epic skins, plus 2 souvenirs, plus 1 weapon charm, 15 additional rewards. Go premium, get more! Kiriko instant unlock, 20% season XP boost, all new mythic skin, 5 legendary skins, 1 epic skin, 56 additional rewards. And for the free players also instantly unlock Sojan and Jungle Queen. This is such a bad idea. The charm about Overwatch is always been that you can play whoever you want, whenever you want. This is gonna firstly mess up my favorite game mode mystery heroes quite a bit. This is gonna mess up like the whole core concept about Overwatch. And Battle Pass. Couldn't Blizzard have been a little bit original? Like in, I think it was Modern Warfare 2. There were challenges, kind of like contracts to get skins and all that. But this is just a bad idea. Like, this is gonna be my most controversial opinion yet, but I actually have nothing against Overwatch loot box. Overwatch loot boxes, they're fairly good balanced, they're fun to grind and all that, and they don't really matter in the end. They're fairly easy to get, and if you play the game enough, you'll actually get enough to, you know, either buy a skin you want or get the skin you want. And loot boxes aren't also that important for veteran players, because then they most often get duplicates and can save up. And a battle pass, it just feels like Overwatch right now is trying to copy Paladins, because Paladins is a battle pass, Paladins is 5v5, Paladins has so that you have to unlock heroes, and then if you don't manage to unlock Kiriko in the battle pass, will you get her after, or will she never be unlockable again? Or what'll happen with that? Or are they going to do like Rainbow Six Siege, where you have premium play time and then everyone else unlocks it? Or how are they gonna do that? And then weapon charms. Yeah, they're copying Rainbow Six Siege too. Overwatch, what in the actual fuck? Earn and spend your way. Complete weekly challenges to earn Overwatch coins. I can actually get behind that. New bundles weekly in game store. And there they fucked it up again. Yeah, they're really copying Paladins and Rainbow. Jesus. Overwatch 2, I feel this is gonna be such a flop. And they're gonna have seasonal model, free updates every 9 weeks to ensure there's always something new to experience. And PvE in the beginning of 2023. If they were gonna release Overwatch 2 and the PvE separately, couldn't they have just waited? So, here we have a bit of a roadmap. Season 1, 3 new heroes, 6 new maps, 30 new skins, battle pass, mythically new game mode. Season 2, new tank hero, okay, new map, 30 new skins, new battle pass, new mythic skin, 2023 future seasons. New heroes, new maps, new skins, new battle passes, new modes, PvE begins. I'm honestly really worried about this. And the only thing I'm a little bit excited for is Kiriko. But yeah, I think I have to go and play Overwatch 1 while I still can. Big shout out to my boy Satan for editing this video. Until next time, this is Gun Commentary, pissing on Overwatch 2 as usual, and signing out. Goodbye, folks.